What's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video, let's unbox and review the Realme Buds 2 wired earphones. These are the successors to the first generation Realme earbuds. So let's have a look if they are really worth the price they're being offered at. Here we go. The Realme Buds 2 come in a very basic white packaging. On the front of the box, we can see the image of the earphones, the Realme branding, and the name of the earphones, while on the back we can see some important features of the earphones mentioned, the model number, the pricing, and the company information. The pricing on the box is mentioned at Rs 799, but they are available at Rs 599 on Amazon India. Opening up the box, we get the earphones, which are decently packed. I got them in yellow color, but they are also available in orange and green color. Then opening the other compartment, we find the user guide and some extra ear tips. Overall, I was very satisfied with the packaging of the earphones. Now to give you a physical overview, as they are wired earphones, it has got a 3.5mm headphone jack, but unfortunately it is not gold plated and it's straight. I wish it was angled so it would remain more sturdy when it's plugged in. The wire looks to be of a good quality and it's threaded till the joint with the cable organizer attached to it, while the other half of the wire it's not threaded but of a good quality. Further down the wire, we have the remote with the volume plus and the minus button and another multifunctional button. Then we have the earbuds itself, which looks premium and also have magnets which don't serve any purpose though other than keeping the earbuds attached. The remote on the other hand is made out of plastic, and the plus and the minus buttons are used to increase or decrease the volume. The multifunctional button is used for various functions. Single click to play or pause the music and answer incoming calls. Double click to skip to the next track. Triple click to go to the previous track, which unfortunately didn't work for me, and long pressing will reject your calls or activate the Google Assistant. Let's talk about the sound quality now. To be honest, I was literally impressed with the sound quality of these earphones. If you're a bass head, then the 11.2mm bass boost drivers are gonna pump enormous amount of bass in your ears. The bass is boosted and also has a punch to it, but at above 80% volume, I felt the sound got muffled a bit for bass heavy songs, but the sound gets really very loud though. The vocals sounded good as well, and the instrument separation was good. The highs, mids and lows were good as well. The call quality was crisp and clear, and I didn't face any interference while on a call, nor the opposite person complained. These fitted well in my ears and I didn't face any discomfort while using them even for a longer period of time. But it's worth noting that these are not sweat or water resistant. Finally, as for my verdict, the Realme Buds 2 wired earphones sounds really good in my opinion. If you're a person who prefer the sound a bit more balanced, then you probably will have to look somewhere else. But if you're someone who is in for punchy bass with good sound and want a pair of well-built earphones, the Realme Buds 2 is for you. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. So that's it for the video guys, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button, and if you all didn't, you all can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.